Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 23rd of October. So without further ado, if we could start as we always do with our risk warning, just please do take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with the risk warning currently up on the screen. Okay, so let's get straight in to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So for this, we're going to get up our trading platform. And we've been looking at some European and pound strength, certainly over the course of yesterday. But we've also potentially been looking at some dollar and yen strength creeping into the market. So we've got this situation where we'll certainly look for opportunities to sell the euro dollar. The high probability aspect of the trade is below the 14.32. It would then be a structural failure to the downside. And the same sort of situation really would be the 129.19 level, just below, just at this low, just sitting in here. So if we get a break in those two markets, then it really does stack up for us as a couple of really strong high probability trades. In addition, we also have the pound yen, should I say. And what we would like to see happen in the pound yen is this market to break below the 145.81. If so, we expect continuation lower. And the same level, really, it's a slightly different setup, but certainly below the 129.12 level would potentially give us some extension to the downside. Now, to just give you a little tip, because when we trade foreign exchange, we look to buy strength and sell weakness. So it's always looking at that trade-off between strength and weakness. And to see which market is potentially stronger, we can go to the dollar yen. And if this market continues to the upside, then we're likely to trade and focus on the euro dollar and the pound dollar. But also, if this market looks like it's pulling lower, then we can certainly shift our attention to the pound yen and the euro yen. Now that's on the strength side. And the same thing applies on the weakness side. So if you want to establish which market is weaker, is it the euro or the pound, we can, for the trading session, go to the trading chart. And if we get continuation to the upside, then it would mean that the euro is stronger than the pound for that session. So what we might do is we might focus on looking to sell the pound dollar and perhaps the pound yen. So do try to trade the strongest market versus the weakest market for the trading session, and that's a little key to trading foreign exchange. Okay, so that's the euro pound, and that will help just establish who's in control of that market for that at that period. So that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch. So if you would like to connect with us, please do feel free to do so through our YouTube channel. We're live every day at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. UK time. Just search for the Live Trade Room, all one word, and you'll be more than welcome to join us there. And also connect with us through our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The details are all there up on screen now. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch. So thank you very much for joining us. As always, do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.